you came around, when the high wore off, know you needed space, but I don't wanna wait.
Happy birthday, Lola Josie!
I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna miss it. Few thousand miles in an ocean away, but I see the sunrise. Oh, just like the other day. Picture your eyes as I fall asleep.
Happy birthday, Lola Josie!
It's alright. Oh, as the tears roll by. Ooh, I wish I could feel your face. Ooh.
Actually, nung una hindi po kami close. Kasi nga nasa abroad siya. Pero bumawi naman po siya. Sobrang sweet po niya, sobrang caring, sobrang mahalaga.
I'm helpless when I'm pushing away.
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Bali si Mami po kasi sobrang bait niyan. Siya yung pinakamabait na tao na kilala ko kasi lahat kaya niya isakripisyo para sa amin. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Yung nakakainis siya kasi sa sobrang kabaitan niya. Parang yun na yung pinaka-ang flaws niya. Yung pagiging sobrang bait.
I'm helpless when I'm pushing away. I never felt a room so
Nag-prepare kaming lahat, kung napansin mo naman, Mami. Nag-online ang lahat ng pamilya para lang makasabay sa iyong napakagandang birthday na pinaghandaan ng mga anak.
see the future coming. Hope it isn't real. I learned to fake a smile as the time runs out. I don't wanna wait. Oh, I don't wanna miss it. Few thousand miles.
Happy birthday, Lola Josie! I love you po!
See the sunrise. Whoa, just like the other day.
Bagay sa'yo ang fabulous at 60 kasi nagsha-shine ang beauty mo ngayon. Kasya ba to sa akin?
Picture your eyes as I fall asleep. Tell myself so.
Happy birthday! You look gorgeous!
Bye.
Hi Mami, happy birthday. Sobrang thank you for all the things that you have done for us. And I'm happy na we're here to celebrate your birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana patuloy kang maging mabait sa amin and sa mga apo mo. And praying for your happiness, your health. Sana matagal ka pa namin makasama. I love you so much.
I wish I could feel your face. I'm helpless when I'm pushing away.
Happy birthday, Mami. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw ng celebration ng birthday mo. Deserve na deserve mo tong celebration na to kasi you're the best mom that I could ever ask for. Hindi ka demanding na nanay, very supportive ka na nanay, and lagi kang andyan para sa amin. Alam ko nung una na nag-abroad ka at naiwan kaming magkakapatid, para sa aming lahat din yon. And thank you for all your sacrifices. Love na love ka namin.
Happy
birthday, Mommy!
I'm helpless when I'm oceans away.